Hi friends, hope you're all doing good. Today's topic is about how to talk about personality types. So let's get started. Every human being is one way or another unique. Everyone's personality is determined by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Let us examine some personality types, one of which might by chance be your very own, that results from the way culture, growth, family background, and environment interact with heredity. And of course, we begin not with the words but with the ideas. What word best describes your personality if you are interested solely in your own welfare? It's called as an egoist. This word egoist comes from the Latin root, the pronoun ego, meaning I. So I is the greatest concern in the egoist mind, which means you have to give preference to yourself first. Okay, so have to pronounce the word double egoist, egoist. Look at the accent mark one given on the double e. Stress have to give on this word egoist. So a person who puts self desires first, who believes in self advancement, who is supremely selfish is called as an egoist. There are some related words. Ego, which means I or me first. Egocentric, consider yourself the center of the universe. Egomaniac, carry your needs, desires to become a morbid obsession called mania. Your attitude to life is simple, direct, and above board. Every decision you make is based on the answer to one question: what's in it for me? If your selfishness, greed, and ruthless desire for self advancement hurt other people, that's too bad. This is a tough world, pal, dog eat dog, and all that. I, for one, am not going to be left behind. These kind of persons are known as egoist. Hope you got an idea. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.